Daffi and I are searching for the lost temple of the Monkeybird. We're gonna bring home the treasure.
Fame and fortune!
And we're gonna pay off those parking tickets.
Tell you what, Nick. I'll just give you a ticket this time. But if I ever see you horsing around here again, I'll put you away till the... Have a nice day.
So, how much further, chum?
We just need to follow this trail all the way to the marked X. Our trail!
Lost. What are we gonna do? We'll die in this jungle! Get a hold of yourself! You're hysterical! I don't want to die here. We'll never find the temple! Oh, there it is.
Beware of the Monkeybird curse.
And the Monkeybird curse. Maybe we should just forget about it. You don't want to be cursed.
Curse, Mirth! Science prevails! There's no such thing as curses. Now then, you first, pal.
And no curses yet. The map says to watch out for the booby traps, though. It looks like they're marked pretty clearly.
Kind of a bad time for acupuncture. Ooh, a torch. Huh? A light switch? You know, I've been wanting to read this. Kinda crooked. Ooh! Nice to meet you, chum. Porky, look! It's the treasure of the Monkeybird Temple. What's with all the banana peels?
And all these Monkeybird monthly magazines.
Whoever lives here is a real pig. No offense, pal. Ah! I've been bitten by a snake! You'll have to suck out the poison.
Is the stuck poison?
Hurry, chump. Everything's going dark. The poison's rushing to my head. Hurry. It's all over.
I'll save you, Daffi.
Keep fucking. Put your back into it. Okay, I got the treasure. Let's go. Whose leg is that? The Monkeybird! Ah!
So long, Monkeybird!
Look at your face! You look like a complete idiot! Before you destroy us, I must say... You have the most ravishing eyes I've ever seen. Huh? Ah, that beak, your plumage, you're beautiful. You know, we've been going around for a while, and I was wondering, will you wear my Letterman's jacket? Huh?
Always a bridesmaid and never a bride.
I always cry at weddings. Ooh, I love it. But you know, I bet it looks better on you. With this ring, I've
excitement.
Let's see our treasure. A golden egg.
Yeah, but
We're rich.
I guess this is the curse they were talking about, that mentioned earlier.